Now I've created a very simple building here, and I've included a rectangle on this surface to represent a window and another one on this surface to represent a door. Now the reason that I've done that is that if I want to select surfaces, you'll see that each of the surfaces are individual when they're selected. So the next thing I'd like to show you is that we can use the paint bucket here to select various ready-made materials and surfaces that are available for us to use. They are categorized, and you can see here we have bricks and cladding, carpets and textiles and so on down here. And probably if we wanted to put something on the outside of the building here, we could go to brick and cladding and choose a style of brick, and I might choose this one here. And if we put that on the surface here, you'll see that it gives the appearance of this part of the building being made of brick. Now I can rotate the building and do the other surfaces as well. Put the building back again. Now if I want to choose a surface for the roof, I can choose something to do with roofing, and here's some roofing here. And say for instance we want a classic shingle roof here. We can just click on that surface and we can click on that surface. And now we've got the appearance of a building, albeit a very simple one. Now where the doors and things are concerned, you may have to use some custom-made tools for this, but just for the moment I'll choose some wood for the door, and I'll just pop that on there. And for the window, I might even just choose some translucent material, which means that you can really see through it. How about this one here? And pop that in there for the window, and you can actually see inside the building this way through the window, and it gives the appearance of a bit of glass with a bit of reflection on it, and that's not too bad a thing. So there we are. There's our building, looking a little bit more realistic than it originally did. What's worth knowing is that these materials are of course editable, and if we go inside the edit tab, we can even choose new colors, new pictures, and we can even probably make new materials. So you can also choose the scale of things as well, and that's probably fairly important. The opacity comes with a translucent thing. I'll just go back to select. We'll go back to a more classic material, like our bricks, for instance. Here's a nice old-fashioned brick, and if we go into edit now, you see that we have less options on here because this is actually really a photographic finish on the brick, and so we can't do so much with it. Now we can custom make our own materials if we want to, but another option that we actually have is to apply a photographic image to a surface, and that's what I'll cover in the next video.